Gives it to JMT. Kay Kalangi. Inside pass kay Jerome. 2 points.
For hoop breakers. Hindi ko kabisado number nila. Talikod mo na at walang number sa harap. Si Benji, si Alex, si Tong, si Kabayis at si Kapyot. Number 31, number 8, number 00, 25 at 29. Here we go. Tong to Benji, to Makapyot, to Alex. First 2 points ng ating laro. Alex, wala. Rebound by Kabayis. In our first quarter. Rebound by Jerome. Jerome. Foul on number 22. JZ to Mira. Top by Kabayis. 3 on Alex. All. Moth with a running hook. No good. Rebound by Kalangi. Kalangi binigay kay JC. And the usual tandem natin. Inside pass ni Makapyot kay JZ. Pasok yan. The usual tandem natin. Inside pass ni Makapyot kay JZ, pasok yan. De Leon, naagawan ni Kalangi. Completed by his teammates. Tumatakbo si Alex. 2 points for JZ. Jerome lays it in. Pasok. Backcourt combination for Hoyas, number 7 and number 9. Reliano blocked by Makapyot. Pasha Mintes, rebound ni Jerome Makapyot. Castillo to LU, LU to Mira. 2 points for LU. Joms. Binigay. Juan will try 3. Wala. Nico. Binigay kay Franco. 2 points for Franco. 16 all. 8:31 remaining. Basket by JZ. Natin ang ano. De Leon. Drives in. Rebound by JMT. JMT binigay kay JZ. To LU. To Nico. And lastly kay Franco. Inabot ni Adrian. Foul on Hernandez tries a 3, wala. Franco to JZ. Lays it in. Joms. Natapik ni Nico. 2 points for Nico. Rebound by Hernandez.
10 seconds.
Jerome nagmamadali. Foul on number 19, Hernandez. 2 shots awarded kay Jerome. Parehong pasok yun. 20 inbounding the ball. Gives it to JMT. Kay Kalangi.
10 seconds.
Inside pass kay Jerome. 2 points. 20 kay
10
Kalangi.
seconds.
Inside pass kay Jerome. 28-21. Two points, Jerome. Pinahinga muna yata si Hernandez. Kalangi to Alex. Kicks out to Kalangi. 3-point ni Kalangi, wala. Rebound by Jerome.
10 seconds.
Ganda ng pass sa ilan, but hindi na-convert ni Odiada. Panontongan. To Calalo. Calalo drives in. Ten. Shot clock off na tayo. Inabot ni Jom sa ulo. Kitang kita. 2 shots para kay Alex.
Penalty.
End of our half, 32-28. Lamang ang Hoop Breakers. We'll be back.